the Ford 309. Hey, it's Farmer Finn. We're putting maintenance to our planter. We're painting it right here where it's all rusty. Tanner put new bearings in it. Do you see all this rust on these chains? It's what fertilizer does. We're greasing the chains up so they don't break. It won't be long, we'll be dropping seed in the ground. Kids, this is where we put these to spread fertilizer. Fertilizer goes in here, and the corn seed goes in here. Where the corn drops in, and then it turns, and then it drops there, and then goes through here into the ground. This is where the fertilizer drops through and turns around beside it, and this covers the road. The old girl's old, but she still does a good job. This is planter plates. This is what gives you your spacing. Well, we've got some seed in while I was gone. It looks like Jason spent some money while I was gone.
Where you been, Finn? We've missed you.
You know, just been floating around because Corona's leaving and I've been back in school.
Yeah.
Maybe smelling those pigs will help my allergies. You two grown. You have grown. You two grown. You know that? You know that? Hannah and I getting some water for the hogs.
Boy, I tell you, I got good help here.
It sure is fun being back at Rocky Knob. You need to take care of your equipment because it's too expensive to replace. The joke of the day. How does a farmer count cows? A calculator. Billy sure is growing. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.